Hey guys.
Hi everyone.
So we're going to be showing you how to submit a submission of your solution that you did at this hackathon, how to put that on Devpost, and then we're going to show you how the judging, well, we're going to tell you how the whole judging system is going to work. All right,
Okay.
let's get started.
Yeah, sure. So at the first, you have to go to our web Devpost. The URL is Kosice-2020.devpost.com, but you can also find the link at swap card. So as the first thing after you register to Devpost, you have to join the hackathon. So there is one simple green button to join hackathon.
Oh,
yeah.
You have to put your finger like this and then tap. Like, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I guess most of you have some teams, so I guess you will choose the yes, I have a team. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're not used to Macs, sorry. Okay. Položíš prst, ťukneš.
Okay. So, who told you about Kosice? For me, it was my friend. Who motivated you to register? Let's say the prizes. I always like winning something. I have read the conditions, sure, and register. So after you are registered, you can start submitting. So it's overview.
Okay, keď chceš kliknúť, položíš, ťukneš.
Let's start the submission. Let's create a new project. We will be submitting our website. So our project will be called Kosice website. We are not a robot.
We are definitely not robots.
Oh
no.
It's a tricky one. So it's buses.
Oh okay. No image recognition. Still a bus.
Okay, oh no.
Let's just verify.
Yeah. Okay.
We're not a bot.
We passed Turing test, that's great. So here is the first thing is what's your project about. So our project is called website for hack Kosice. It's built with Hugo. We also use Orbiter team. Not Orbit, Orbiter. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
And the one more thing, our website is hosted on Firebase, so let's also put it there. Okay, who created it? It's Pecho. Okay. Now the other thing is, if you have your teammates, you can invite them. So there are two options. One is to send them a link, or the other one is to send them an invite. So I will invite our friend Zoli. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And hopefully he joins before this demo ends.
Yeah, I hope he's listening to us now.
Zoli, we're counting on you. Don't fail us in this moment.
Okay, now one other thing is to put some description of your story there, which will be done by Pecho.
Yeah, so try to put in as much information as you can. You don't have to write a novel about this, but it's really nice to be able to read something more about the project and get to know why you created it and what were the problems that you struggled with, because that's kind of part of the, I guess, the success that you've had, overcoming challenges and facing them, stuff like that. So our inspiration was, okay, what just happened here? Okay, so our inspiration was that we were looking at other hackathons and they had websites. Simple as that. So what it does, okay, the tab doesn't work as I expect it to work in this place. So simply, it is the website for Kosice. Okay, I need to learn to write. How we built it? Well, we built it at an internal hackathon that we did just for our team to build the website, and we chose the theme, and we built the base. And then we just worked on it for a couple of weeks, and that's it. That's how we built it. So what challenges we faced? So for example, in this case, the template that we bought was nice, but not flexible. So we were stuck with the same layout for any web page, not really any web page. We were stuck with some predefined layouts for some predefined pages on the web page, and we couldn't create new ones. And that's actually the accomplishment that we're most proud of, because that was actually pretty hard to overcome. So we fixed this problem and we made the website flexible, and we can now add new content as we wish. Right, and what we learned how to work with Hugo. And how to make a website go fast, because it's much faster than the previous one. Oh, also, a big success. Yeah, I think that one goes without description.
Definitely.
And so what's next? We have a bunch of stuff over at, I mean, I guess I can publish the website link, I guess, at GitHub of our page. So it's / and it's stuff such as that, because currently the web page is only in Slovak, or for example, enable the web page to be used as a progressive web app, which means someone can download the page as an app to their phone. So this is about the amount of stuff you could write. Maybe you can write more if you had more problems, or if you feel stuff like that is important to your project. And yeah, so that's that for our project.
Okay, now about the next thing is some image gallery. So I saved some image at Imgur. Maybe I will just use that. Just a second. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So it's
I'll just
maybe
Yeah.
it will be faster.
Yeah, is that the one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's one.
That's our website. We're proud of it.
Okay, so I will just download this image, or Peter will download it.
Yeah. And can you just drag it there? I think you can just drag it there.
From here, I mean, or?
Oh wait, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
yeah,
great.
like that. Does that work? Maybe try again. Well, it doesn't really. Yeah, let's just leave it be. We got an image there which describes our web page because it's the front image of it. Oh well, okay. Okay, there we go. That's the image there.
And also we have it published at our domain kosice.com.
So you can look at it there.
The next thing is video demo. You can actually leave this one out because on the next page there are some other stuff, also video demo. So one important thing is to have about 2 minutes video demo, because it will allow us to judge your application much more faster, and as you can see, it's also required. We don't have a video of our web page, but we will use the video from the Kosice Digital, which actually won the Kosice Digital. And the reason why we are choosing this video is because it's quite well made. So you can get inspired by this video.
Yeah, we were thinking of making our own for our website, but then we decided we're not going to make it probably as good as this one in the amount of time that we had like preparing it. So yeah, that's the video, and we want you to like have the best possible idea of what it's supposed to look like.
The other important step is to choose which challenges or which prizes you want to apply for. So for example, let's say our web page is a candidate for best use of Google Cloud. You can also use as many.
I'd say it's this one definitely, because
Okay,
kosice.com is a really good domain. It's our domain, that's why, obviously.
Next, you should create a Jitsi link. So just enter Jitsi in your Google. It's the first link. And so it's it's meet.jit.si. Okay.
Yeah, so you can start a new meeting, but the way it works, and if anyone connects to this link at any time, they are at the meeting. So you can create the link before the judging starts. So you can create it now and then go to the link during judging, and the link will work. So right now our link is Kosice website, but for example, you could make your link be Kosice 2020-project name or something like that. And we will explain the way that judging works in a bit, just after we finish with this.
I'm not really used to work with Mac, so it's kind of new for me.
Yeah. Paste. Okay,
great.
that's it.
So after all of this is done, we can submit our project. We can't because.
Oh.
Okay, I guess I need to pass protocol. Or okay, yeah.
That may be the problem. No. I mean, it will be easiest for you to just copy the link of the video that you have open on YouTube and just copy the share link, so you don't have to do stuff like this. Yeah, and that works. That's it.
Okay, great.
So after you've done this, because it's, you don't have to feel like this is all, like this is now you're done with your Devpost submission. It doesn't mean that it's set in stone and you can't change it. It's very simple, as you can see.
Yes, you can edit your submission, and actually okay, so you can edit the links, but if you click here at back to edit project, you can edit the core, so you can change pretty much everything. And also, as you can see, Zoli joined our team, so good work, Zoli, thank you.
Yeah, thanks for joining the team, Zoli.
Okay, so as I said, you can edit your project here, so you can edit it before the deadline.
Yeah, and I think you can actually, once you're done with this, when you do save and yeah, complete submission, you can, hold on, well, yeah. So here on the page, it will redirect you directly to your submission page, and there you can view what it looks like. So here we can see that it's got all the content that we put in there, and it's got the link, it's got the stuff that we built it with. If you choose the stuff that's actually like predefined on Devpost, it will also have a link to that technology, but it's not really important to you, I guess.
One thing that I noticed is that the video that we chose, it's actually our teaser for Kosice 2020, and not the video we actually wanted to show you, but I'm pretty sure we will show you later.
Yeah, we can put it somewhere later. And one last thing about Devpost, there is a thing on the right here where everyone on your team can say what they've done to contribute to the project. So Zoli, for example, contributed with being Zoli, which is a really good contribution in my opinion. Thanks, Zoli, for being yourself. And yeah, you can write your own stuff, like, I don't know, Rayo, you can write something.
Sure, so how I contributed?
Something short.
Yeah, I created a contact form.
And that's it, it's there. And you can edit your contribution as well.
Okay, so the other important thing is that you should submit your project by 10 p.m. because today, yeah, because we need to know the sponsors need to know which projects are applied for their challenges. So it will be easier for them to select the projects that are relevant for them.
Yeah, and I guess, yeah, so you have to, we want you to submit it to Devpost before 10 p.m. today, and yeah, if you have any questions, you can hit us up on Swapcard and we will answer them over the next half an hour or something, I guess. And we will, okay, and I'll talk a bit about how the whole judging process is going to work tomorrow, just before we move on to more questions. So, first of all, the people who will be judging your app will be looking at the 2-minute video you will be submitting, and only after that will they come and look at, well, talk to you, so that they have an idea of what's going on already. So, we expect you to prepare a 5-minute presentation for this judging, and in order to cause as little chaos as possible, because you know at normal hackathons you walk around and you just come to a presentation and it's kind of fine, but online it's not so good. So we basically want you to 2 minutes.
It's 2 minutes for the video, but in the call
I thought it's 5 minutes for the call. Yeah, okay, it's 5 minutes for the call. Sorry, we had a slight team issue here. So we want the 2-minute video, 2 minutes for the video, and 5 minutes for you talking to explaining the demo to the judges. So including showing them how the project works right now and stuff like that. And so, in order to cause as little chaos as possible, these calls, we want you to stay on your Jitsi call during the whole Hack Expo from 1 until either 3 or when we tell you that the expo has ended because all of the judges have judged all projects that they needed to judge.
One important thing, those times are in Central European time or CEST, so be sure to notice that.
Yeah, so check the Hack Expo time in your Swapcard app. And so during this Hack Expo, we are planning on doing it so that every 10 minutes, starting at 1 p.m. CST, you will start a presentation of the project. Of course, only if there's judges in the room. They will spend those 5 minutes in the room, and then, I mean, if your presentation overruns or they have questions, they will stay there then, and then they will prepare for the next session until the end of those 10 minutes, and then at the next 10-minute mark, they will move on to the next project. So before the 10-minute mark, someone else might come to your place, and you can start the presentation at every 10-minute mark so that we are coordinated and there's not much chaos. Yeah. If you don't understand something, just please ask questions and we will explain everything. Yeah, I think that's it, Rayo.
Yeah, I think it is. So thank you for your time, and I think now we will continue with live mentoring.
Yeah, so
Yeah, see you later.
see you later.